I've come to the pit top today. I'm going to have a look at that, where is it? Sunset. We can go uphill here. I did late yesterday, so I thought today I may as well come out and see what it looks like from there. We found a burnt out bike anyway, if you can see it. Look at that, it looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? Perfect time of year this for sunsets. Yeah, look, I'm with Buddy. So yeah, we'll go down there, go left over, we'll have a look at pond, go left over at bridge, up onto hill. And you can, it's literally 360 view, so. But where we are is an old colliery, miner's pit. So they've built a lot of houses over there. I'm glad they've left this though, because it looks really nice, especially in summer. Got a little woodland scattered about as well. I was going to do a live, but my phone's on 5%, so I'm gutted about that. I could do with some faster cables. Or I'll charge my phone while I'm asleep. There it is, look. Hey mate, that's cool that.
Alright, and it's only $1,000 as well for her.
Is that all it was?
First time on them as well. She loves them.
She's not bothered.
Oh, is it she?
Yeah.
Really?
Little girl.
She's got no fear, has she?
11-year-old, mate.
Put your leg on there, what are you doing?
Oh, 11-year-old, mate. She's like,
Oh, that's bang on that.
break!
Not your foot.
Don't go in this ditch.
Good girl. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice to see people having fun, isn't it? Brilliant, that. Nice to talk to people. Sun's coming down now anyway. So we'll go over there, look at pond, and then we'll go left up that hill and watch the sun come down. I remember coming down that hill as a kid. Coming down in a car bonnet when it was snowing. And then he'd come down, and then he's literally just smashed into this this bit here. What a stunning view it is here today. Hiya. Come on then. We'll go up there in a bit, bud. We'll go up there in a sec. We'll just have a look at pond here. Bloody hell, he just fell on. He just ran over ice and just fell in. It's not deep anyway, it's only about a foot deep, not even that. Come on then. Well, he's happy about it anyway. Gee. There's kids over there that are running over it. And it's not that thick. Yeah, we'll go up here now anyway. Yeah, some nice little bridges scattered about and all. I think these were added after though. Went a bit short. I'm not too sure. Right, we've made it to the top. I'm out of breath though. And then I'm trying to think we'll go this way. And then have a look at sunset from there. There we go. We're nearly there. Look at that stunning view. I'm out of breath. It's worse when you're walking up hills and for a couple of miles and then sweating and then it's cold. Don't mix well. But yeah, them kids down there running across the ice. Honestly, he's just fell through ice, and he's what, 12 kilo? I don't know. I won't be doing it. But then again, probably turned old and miserable, haven't I? But no, I won't be doing that. You hear it all the time on news, don't you? Falling through ice into ponds, and it's happened at Lakeside. So if we carry on down there to Ayers Point, and then we can have a look over. Like I said, I was going to bring my phone and do a live, but obviously there's no battery on it. So maybe next time. I'll catch you in a bit. Yeah, Lakeside's just over there, if you can remember on the last video. Cantley's that way. Armthorpe's that way. You can see it on here, I'll try and zoom in, but you can see Doncaster Racecourse over there. Doncaster Hospital. You can hear my dog crying because I've stopped. Yeah, I'm going to bring a drone up here one day. I'll set up on that rock and I'll try and do a time lapse. If I can work it out, because it's a new camera, so. There's IKEA, just past Armthorpe, look. I should have brought my phone, but I've got some good zoom on that. Yeah, I should be able to get a nice time lapse from there. Looking over. Well, I managed 10 seconds, I think it were on time lapse, because my SD card were full, so I've had to stop it. I got a bit of it anyway, so better than nothing. Might slow it down a bit in edit, try and get a bit longer. Wow, it's freezing now. Come on then. Well, Buddy's happy anyway, aren't you? Always are when you go out for a walk. Falling into lakes. Yeah, I've all this swap pit as well. And just down that pathway there, there's still got the shaft, wet shafts were. And you can actually read about it and everything. So, might take you around there another day. Yeah, it was a big pit. So that big estate covers most of it. Like I said, next time I'll get drone up and we'll do a fly around. Right, I'm going to go home, have a coffee and end video here. So thanks for watching, guys. Not much. Just thought I'd come up and have a walk around and have a chat and see sunset. You can just see it now through them trees. It's a shame really that my card got full, so I've had to stop it and then delete things. But I'll learn from next time, for next time. There we go. Lovely. Alright, catch you later, guys.